Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my go-to aloe vera scalp oil. So guys, this is the proper way to make aloe vera oil. So very importantly guys, before you use aloe vera for anything, maybe for your skin or hair, make sure you stand it upright in a cup or bowl for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this allows the yellow tinted resin to drain out of the leaf, as that resin contains latex which can irritate your skin. So completing this step is very important. Prior to this, I already put it in water and washed it, and the yellow tinted resin already came out, but I still had to put it again to be sure. That's why the color of the water is not that yellowish, just to be sure. So guys, to begin, I already cut out the rough edges of the aloe vera leaf, and right now I'm just cutting it into thin slices, very thin slices. Now you're cutting it into thin slices because you don't want anything to hinder the oil or the nutrients from the aloe vera to enter into the oil. Guys, look at how thin this slice is. Now that is what you want, so make sure to cut it into very thin slices so that when you're making the oil, it will be infused into the oil completely and there'll be no hindrance. So I went on ahead to slice the other leaf that is still in the bottle of camera and added to this one. So now to make the oil proper, I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. Guys, feel free to use grapeseed oil, coconut oil, or whatever oil that appeals to you. So on low heat, I put my frying pan and I'm going to pour close to a cup, it wasn't up to a cup though, into the frying pan. And guys, make sure it is on low heat, low to medium heat. You don't want the oil to be too hot that it ends up frying the whole aloe vera and it will burn and you won't get what you want from it. So as you can see, it's not even sizzling because the heat is very low. Now I'll turn the aloe vera slices into this oil, everything including all the gel that is in it. That is what we want, and you can see that the oil is not overly hot, and that is what you want. So once you pour it in it, just let it simmer, let it cook gradually until everything, every good nutrient in the aloe vera is being infused into the oil. So from time to time as you cook it, make sure to always stir it once in a while to avoid burning it. So after a few minutes, this is what it looks like. Guys, if you notice, the oil looks a bit doubled in size because the gel has started coming out of the leaf, and it's going to look watery. The whole oil will look watery, and it will look as though it is much more than the quantity you added earlier, and that is how it's going to start. You can see the color of the aloe vera slices changing, and that's to show you that it is actually doing the job. It's doing what you want it to do. So just keep stirring it gradually, and with time the quantity is going to go back to normal, its normal state, and all the water you're seeing here will vanish. And after a few more minutes, this is what it looks like. The color keeps changing, the slices are not that greenish anymore, and it is beginning to shrink. So just keep stirring it again to avoid it burning up. And a few more minutes after, this is what it looks like. You can see that the aloe vera slices are more shrinked than it was earlier, and the quantity is not that much. This is what the aloe vera looks like, but I'm still not satisfied. I'm still going to fry this for at least 20 more minutes, and then I think it will be okay. And you can see that the oil doesn't look as much as it was earlier. It's not watery anymore, and you know that you're gradually getting to what you want. Now this is what it looks like. Look at how shrinked the slices are, and at this point I think it's okay. There's nothing left to come out of these slices anymore. It is completely fried, but it didn't burn, guys, because I kept regulating the heat, and this is what it looks like now. So at this point, take a closer look at what this aloe vera looks like. Completely shrinked, completely fried, and it is completely useless to me now. So I'm just going to let this cool off completely, and then I'll transfer the oil into my bottle. So guys, now the aloe vera oil is completely cooled down, and with my small sieve I'm going to filter the oil. So aloe vera oil is good for hair growth, and it controls hair fall. It also forms a protective layer over your hair and keeps it safe from harmful environmental elements, and also keeps it consistently hydrated. And aloe vera oil conditions and nourishes the hair. It is a good remedy for dandruff, and using it on your scalp and hair gives healthy, strong and dandruff free hair. So guys, you can use this oil for both hair and skin as a moisturizer, hair mask, or an overnight treatment. So since I used a sieve to filter this, I'm going to use a spoon to press it down so I can get as much oil as I can from the aloe vera. Guys, imagine what these slices look like now. Imagine the quantity it was earlier and compare it to this now. That should show you that there's nothing left in this anymore, and that is what it should look like. So basically our aloe vera oil is ready. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our aloe vera oil. Guys, this is my go-to scalp oil. This oil does a lot of wonders to my hair, and I think you also need this. So this is what it looks like, and the oil is quite much, and I'm sure it's going to last me for a few months before I'm ready to make another one. So this is our aloe vera oil, all pure in all its glory. So now I just transferred a little quantity into my small dropper bottle for easy application on my scalp. and just look at that. So guys, basically we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please tell me what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to be making this all. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.